So here we are back by popular demand to talk about the nervous system. So I went ahead and uploaded a general idea of the function of the nervous system. So the nervous system is the body system that's responsible for controlling the actions in the human body and responding to stimuli, both external and internal to the human body. So you can look at my little friend over here that I've uploaded, and you can tell the nervous system really is just a network of nerves and nervous tissue and organs that's responsible for transmitting or sending and receiving messages throughout the human body. So the nervous system has three main parts. Okay, we have the brain, we have the spinal cord, and of course we have a network of nerves and nervous tissue that run throughout the entire human body. So if you look at the image in blue and red over here to the left of this presentation, you can see that two parts are outlined. Part of the diagram is in red, the brain, right here, which is really the control center for the body. And then we have the spinal cord, which transmits messages down into the torso and throughout the limbs of the body. The brain and spinal cord, we refer to as the central nervous system. These are two large organs that are extremely important to sending and receiving messages throughout the body. The nerves, which I could not even begin to outline all of these different nerves, are outlined in blue. They are called the peripheral nervous system. Just like you have a peripheral vision where you see out the corner of your eye, the peripheral nervous system runs throughout the human body to send and receive messages from one part of the message. The message is transmitted from the nerves to the spinal cord up to the brain to be processed back through the spinal cord and into the nerves to cause a reaction from the stimulus. So central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, those are probably very new words to you, but they are required for you to know both of those parts, those structures in the nervous system. All of these little words that you see in here, I am, of course, not going to require you to know any of these outside of the brain, spinal cord, and I would like for you to be able to know where the nerves are located, that they are located throughout the human body. Finally, there are another ways that we classify nerves in our body. You may hear the nervous system either referred to the autonomic or the somatic or involuntary. So auto, this is an O, nomic, is referring to anything in our body that's an involuntary action. It would be your heart beating, breathing, controlling of your blinking, anything that occurs, digestion, without you having to make a conscious choice. So autonomic is any action in your body that's controlled by the nervous system that's involuntary. We also have the voluntary nervous system. You may also hear this referred to as somatic, and I will put that in parentheses. The somatic nervous system is any conscious action in your body. So this is things that you think about. I decide I want to get up and walk across the room. That is a voluntary or somatic action. If I just ate a cheeseburger for dinner, that is, and my body needs to digest it, the message is sent through the autonomic or the involuntary nervous system to control the body. This has been a very short presentation. I'm trying to keep all the human body presentations to a very short but sweet presentation. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me.